Greetings, my lovable weirdos. I'm back. My voice is back-ish. For those of you who know me personally, you'll know that I've been coughing on and off, actually mostly on, since the end of November. And I went to a lot of doctors, to the hospital, to the polyclinics, had blood tests and x-rays done. Finally went to a specialist last week. Turns out, the reason why I was coughing so much and why my voice was going and I was always congested is because my asthma is back. So I am back on an inhaler. I've got nasal sprays now and I'm on a whole bunch of different meds to help me not be congested so much. It's a bit annoying because I thought I was over it when I was 12 and my asthma had gone away for good, but no, apparently asthma is chronic and stays with you forever. Today, if everything goes to plan, this will go up one day before Singles Day or Valentine's Day. Which is why I'm trying to get with the theme and I've chucked my duvet up there because the underside of it is pink, the front side's purple, but I thought it's Valentine's-y enough, maybe, and yeah. So we've got a pink backdrop today to get all romantic and sweet, because today we're gonna be doing a Valentine's look. And when I say Valentine's Day, I mean half my face is gonna be all like lovey-dovey, the typical thing that you think of when you think of Valentine's Day, and the other half of it will be celebrating Saint Valentine's. And when I think of Saint Valentine, besides him being martyred, I don't remember exactly how he died, but what I do remember is that some church somewhere has his skull preserved, and on his skull is a wreath of flowers. And flowers and birds are usually associated with Saint Valentine's. So, for today's Valentine's Day look, I'm gonna do a half kind of lovey-dovey, soft, sweet, normal Valentine's Day kind of date look, maybe. And the other half of it is gonna be Saint Valentine's skull. Yeah. Let's just try it. I don't know. I'm just winging it here. Yeah. Moving on. Let's go. the look. So basically I braided the front of this wig and then I pinned our huge roses to my head. So we had that flower garland and the skull of St. Valentine's and like the nice, I know I said it was gonna be a wearable look, but hey, you could wear colored eyebrows and a really big wing out. Yeah, go ahead and do that. No one's stopping you. If you feel like it, go ahead and do that. I'm just really feeling the colored brow right now, so that's what I went for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe and hit the little notification bell. It's right here somewhere because that lets you know whenever I post updates. If you don't like this video, please let me know why. I've had a few dislikes on my video and that's totally fine if you don't like what I'm doing. But please let me know what about the videos you don't like. So if it's something that I can improve on, I can just take that out and make it a better video for you guys. Until next time, keep on embracing your inner weirdo. Bye!